How to insert row and column in Microsoft Excel. So in this video I'll show the process how can you insert row and column in Excel. For doing that, you can see here there have a table on Excel. So if I want to insert a row uh, above the one, then what I have to do? So I have to right click, I have to point the mouse on one, and then I have to right click on the mouse, and then you'll find that insert. I have to click here insert to adding row. You can see here above the row, above one I have the row. Now I can write here anything as title, and then what I have to do, if I want to add here column, then I have to point the mouse and have to one click, and then have to right click, and then you have to click here insert, and then you'll find that your column have added. Now if you want to add a row above 5, what you have to do? Point the mouse on 5, right click and insert. Then you can see here there are column row have added. So if you want to add a row column here, what you have to? Point the mouse, right click and insert. And that's how you can add row column on Microsoft Excel. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till end.